People forget just how insane Larry Bird actually was. He averaged 24 points, 10 rebounds, and 6 assists in his career, won 3 straight MVPs, which nobody's done since, and led the Celtics to 3 NBA championships. But the craziest thing is Bird would literally tell defenders where he was going to shoot from, and then he would go out and make the shot anyways. Before one 3-point contest, he walked in the locker room and said,
"Who's coming in second?"
And then he went out and won it. He even played a game mostly left-handed just to challenge himself. The guy wasn't the fastest or the most athletic, but his IQ, shooting, and confidence made him one of the greatest players the NBA has ever seen.